I'm Dimas. I want to tell you about how to make an underwater volcano. You will need small bottle, hot and cold water, scissors, red food coloring, string, and large glass jar. The steps are: cut a long piece of the string, tie one end firmly around the neck of the bottle. Tie the other end of the piece of string around the neck of the bottle to make a loop. Then pour cold water into the large glass jar with until it is about 3/4 full. Fill the bottle with hot water. Add food coloring to turn the water bright red. Hold the bottle by the loop of string. Lower it gently into the jar of cold water. The hot red water rises from the bottle like smoke from an erupting volcano. Thank you.